Okay, let's open this one. So this is the Viofo, the new one is a A129 Duo, which is a dual channel Wi-Fi dash camera. So I believe Viofo released this one with the Wi-Fi capability. This is the first dash camera I think they have with the second camera with the Wi-Fi capable, especially for duo, for the front and rear camera together in one system. So it's a dual channel using a Sony Travis sensor, Wi-Fi with the app support. So the packaging look like this, simple. It's quite big and then it's more professional I think now. And also I get the wireless Bluetooth remote control as well. So let me peel off. So this is wireless Bluetooth control, means is to I can place this anywhere in my car. So maybe the steering wheel or somewhere around there. So when I have something like emergency or take pictures, I just press this button and it will start recording or take a photo. Okay, it looks like this. Very small. User manual. So this is the instruction in English. So in the back nothing. Yeah, so it's very small. It's just like come with the 3M thing. So it's already preloaded with the battery I think. So there's a light there. So this is to record anything emergency that you don't use the phone or any kind of press. By right it's supposed to be you just press this button on this camera, then it will start recording or start take photo for you for the Viofo product dash camera. Provided the camera is nearby your wrist, your hand on the windshield. So when open up, it's just like this. So come another box, all white, nothing else. Okay, so this is the camera. Okay, look different from the predecessor. So there's no power button, but they implement the press the menu long time. The new firmware will power off the camera. So there's no more power button. So side view is the connector to the rear camera. Normal power USB. AV means audio video. Okay, this is the GPS including the mounting. We already put it here. Also power, he says this is the wording called stated there is power. So this is the mini USB, not micro USB. So the camera look like this. Micro SD card, reset button, hole, and the microphone. Yeah, so this is the menu I think. Recording, mic on off, emergency Wi-Fi, recording mic. Okay, so this is the camera itself, and this is the rear camera. Okay, the rear camera smaller, I think just a camera only. It's the same lens capability, so this will be connected to from here to be connected through here. Okay, let's see what is the inside the box. Oh, okay, so the 3M thing for the rear camera. Okay, come with the USB cigarette 2 port, USB charger 2 ports. This is the USB cable, mini USB, and this is the removal tool to remove the existing one. And this is the cable. It's a 6 meters from the here. Supposedly is from here on the side. It's be like this. From here, connect to the rear camera through here. So the cable also, I think it look like mini USB. Yeah, this is supposed to be mini USB. It's the same like this USB. Yeah, it's a mini USB actually. So this mini USB is a bit unique. One is an angle, the other one is no. So this is the mounting, I believe, so for this. So let's install it. Okay, install. And this is mounting for the cable. Clip for the cables. So this is the short mini USB, and the last one is a manual. Okay, so I'm going to install this. This is my, I think, will be my last dashcam. Hopefully it works perfectly. I think the previously is working fine, like 129 Pro is working fine so far, but 119S or 119 not really working so well for my case, especially if you use GPS. The GPS for the 119 and 119S give a lot of problems. So if you bypass the GPS, the module connect directly to the camera is more stable. Okay, top of that, I got another package, this one from the Click Asia. Okay, got the goodies as well. So it's a 2 pen, I got free 2 pen. And something like why I choose the Click Asia and so on. And I get this one. So this is a bit special. I purchased this also including the 64 SanDisk for high endurance, because Viofo I think need to use this card. And another one is 128 gigabyte. This one 200 gigabyte. So this is I'm going to use on with another purpose. So this one we're going to use here. And this is, I think, is a keychain from SanDisk. It looked like this is to put the micro SD card 2 slot, and I think the adapter as well. Put the adapter here through here, and 2 micro SD card, so you can carry with the, this is leather, smell like leather as well, carry along with the keychain. Okay, then this is the pen, got it from the SanDisk Pilot pen. Hopefully it's nice. So got a free with this 2 thing. Okay. Okay, let's take a look on the option. So the option is only one for the resolution. Cannot choose anything. So it's 180, 1080p both. The bitrate I put high. Video source I put a rear end overlaid. So this is something like, so I put default everything for loop recording 3 minutes as well. W angle, so I put yes. Exposure I will put, okay, there's a 2 option, EV front I think, yeah. So I will put front minus, sorry. This is how it look actually. So it's overlay to the video itself, behind and front. So exposure, I put -1, rear no need. Parking mode, of course, 5 frames per second. Hyperlapse now. Okay, GPS on. Speed kilometers. Sensor is low. Wi-Fi. Okay, this is a Wi-Fi. Okay, 5 gigahertz. I want that. Okay, the latest one got a Wi-Fi, so timestamp is on, GPS is on, camera mode on, screensaver is 3 minutes, boot delay I put in maximum 15 seconds, date and time. Okay, the date I already set, and time zone I just keep it default to 0, no need to change. And the beep sound will be startup only. Yeah, frequency I just off the beep actually, so anything should be okay. This firmware will be default from the factory 1.3. I also check on the website, also still the same, so I just leave it for time being. Yep. And oh, this is the Wi-Fi. Okay, the Wi-Fi SSID somehow is too long. Maybe can change that. In the menu, there's no menu to change actually. Okay, how do I stop this? Okay, let's try connect to Wi-Fi. Okay, let's connect through the Wi-Fi. So by default will be okay. I think I already installed the app. Okay, this is the live view. Okay, can be setting through the phone. Time lapse, no. Recording, no. Audio recording, yes. front aperture from the front, yes, maybe the rear also. So this is a good thing is now Viofo for this model A129, there's a Wi-Fi capability, and then they support with the app for Android and Apple, I think. So motion detection, I put the no. Okay, low sensitivity. Okay, I think almost the menu is here. The beeping sound, I think because of the I didn't set I didn't put in the SD card, so okay, there's a time synchronization. This is very good, so I don't need to put in the date just now like on the camera itself, so just sync from the phone. Okay, yes, info, camera stem model. Okay, okay, set camera setting, no Wi-Fi setting. So the Wi-Fi setting you only put available on this app to change. So this is custom text, that number. Okay, the Wi-Fi setting should be like this. Okay, the firmware is on the below. Space on card is here, but I don't have a card yet. Okay, so this is the menu, quite interesting. Let's go back. What they have. Sorry for the beep sound. I couldn't find how do I stop it. Okay, let's try to connect. So I think this is gallery. Okay, I think behind should be okay. How do I choose without overlay? Okay, this is behind. Oops. Okay, I think I just put in behind only because it's obviously I want to see behind usually more than front. Okay, the camera itself facing is fine. Okay, that's about it. Thank you. Let's take a look on the file on the recording. So this is the photo. Every time it's record or take photo is both front and rear. And the video as well, this indication front and also rear. So now I'll give a try with the Bluetooth remote pairing button. Sorry for the view of this camera. It's facing to the sunlight. Now my Viofo A129, there's no indication of the emergency recording. So like this is a sleep mode after some time. So if I just to pair this one is very easy. Just press and hold the button. The indication light here is a yellow color or green or red, I don't know. So it's once you press and hold about 3 seconds, when the this camera is on, there automatically is a pairing. So there's no setup required. So you just press and hold this one, they will automatically pair. So if this one is already paired to the unit, then the indicator light will be turned to the blue. So now it's able to operate as a normal. So just press one time like this. Now it stopped recording. You can see the light just now blue. So they will take recording. So you don't need to press the button manually here. Rather than there, then they provide this kind of button. So the emergency recording is started, and it continuously recording about 3 minutes. So once this one, the emergency recording, the indicator is off, then I can start pressing this again to start another recording or emergency. So you cannot take photo, you just take a video. Just one press, then it will take emergency recording, and then they will keep it. They will not override and release it. So this is very useful. I'm going to put this, the best place I think should be here on the steering wheel, maybe around here, I'm not sure. And let's see and then how. Oops. Okay, that's about it. Thank you.